how to transfer money from Onepay to another bank account. So you're gonna have to have funds in your account already, of course, in order to do this, and you'll have multiple options, including a debit card, which can be used if you have enough funds as well. So most likely a bigger amount, but to move money, all you have to do is find the home page over here and just press on the move money option here in the cash section. So what you're gonna have to do once you press on move money is to just go ahead and choose from either an internal transfer where you can transfer to internally, like into your savings, but you have to move to another bank over here. So press on that one. Then just go ahead and choose where that money is coming from, which is from your actual wallet or from your savings. Then put in the amount. In this case, it's going to be $5. And once you press on continue, you will get the options that will be given to you. If you have any bank accounts already connected, it should pop out over here, and it can take 1 to 3 business days. But again, as we mentioned, there is a debit card option that can be used, but only if you do have enough funds. Once you have enough funds, is to just go ahead and put in the details of your debit card, your card number, and whatnot. But you should be able to process with the transfer, and you will be able to move money from your Onepay to another bank account. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.